8th chapter, differential equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B part 7. Last part completed some impounded problems, 4 marks in variable and separable method. Today also we explain some more impounded problems. First one is x into y square plus x whole dx plus yx square plus y whole dy equal to 0. First of all, this function having x comma y terms, separated x comma y terms, you get what as here we can write x into y square plus x whole dx is equal to this minus plus goes to here, you get minus of yx square plus y into dy. After that, here you get common x, these two terms, you get what y square plus 1 into dx equal to minus in these two terms y get common x square plus 1 into dy. Once again check students, here x into y square x into 1 x whole dx is equal to minus y into x square y into 1 y. Okay students, after that this y and dy term you can write similar. This y term goes to here, this x square plus 1 term goes to here. You get what stands here? X by x square plus 1 whole dx is equal to minus y by y square plus 1 into dy. Here, this function in terms of it with respect to x is there. This function in terms of it with respect to y is there. That's why you can apply on both sides. Applying on both sides. Integration. You get what says? Integral x by x square plus 1 dx equal to minus common integral y by y square y by y square plus 1. See students, this derivative is there or not there? Check. Here x square derivative 2x plus 1 derivative 0, you get 2x. Here x is there, that's why this 2 terms both sides multiplied with 2. You get here using which formula? Integral f dash x by f of x into dx formula. What is that formula? Log of mod of f of x plus d. This is the formula. You can write this formula. You get what steps? You get what here? Here you can write log of mod of x square plus 1 is equal to minus of this derivative having numerator. That's why you can write minus log of mod of y square plus 1. We can write plus c in terms of logarithm you can write. After that this one goes to here. Log of x square plus 1 plus log of y square plus 1 is equal to log c. Log a plus log b. What is the formula of log a plus log b? Log a into b. X square plus 1 into y square plus 1 is equal to log c. Log get cancelled. Remaining what here? X square plus 1 into y square plus 1 equal to c. This is the curve equation of the given differential equation. Understood or not? This is a very important repeated problem, students. Next problem is sine inverse of dy by dx is equal to x plus y. See students, in this equation, this sine inverse goes to here, that is sine. Understood or not? That's why you can write dy by dx is equal to sine of x plus y. This sine of x plus y you cannot divide it separated x comma y terms. That's why here this total function put x plus y is equal to some variable t. That total angle you have to take some t variable. That's why derivative on both sides with respect to x, d by dx of x plus d by dx of y equal to d by dx of t. What is the derivative of x? 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. You can take dy by dx equal what students? Dy by dx is equal to what here? dt by dx minus 1. This place of goes to here minus 1. Suppose you have to take this is 1 implies in place of dy by dx you can write dt by dx plus 1 is equal to, in place of sine of x plus y you can write sine t. After that here dt by dx minus 1 here. After that this minus goes to here, you get what? dt by dx is equal to sin t plus 1. After that cross multiply. dt is equal to sin t plus 1 into dx. See students, this total function in terms of t, that's why if this term goes to here, you get past tense. 1 by sin t plus 1 dt is equal to dx. Here only dx, that is nothing but 1 dx. Here sin t plus 1 you don't know any value. That's why this one is multiplying and dividing with 1 minus sin t. This sin t plus 1 you can take 1 plus sin t. Here 1 minus sin t whole dt is equal to 1 dx. Understood or not? Here this sin t plus 1 numerator and denominator multiplied with 1 minus sin t. 1 minus sin t whole by this. Suppose this we have to take a, this is also be a, this one is b, this is also b, a plus b into a minus b. What is that formula? A scale, nothing but 1 scale. 1 scale value is what? B scale. B scale value is sin scale t into dt is equal to 1 dx. 1 minus sin scale x value how much friends? By the first identity, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Then 1 minus sin square x equal to cos square x. 1 minus sin t by cos square t into dt is equal to 1 dx. Here separated numerator 1 by cos square t minus sin t by cos square t, nothing but cos t into cos t. Understood or not? Whole dt is equal to 1 dx. Here cos square t is here, cos t into cos square t. After that this can be written as secant square t. 1 by cos square nothing but secant square minus sin by cos. How much? Tan. 1 by cos secant. You can write this one is secant t into tan whole t is equal to 1 dx. See students, this function in terms of t, this function in terms of x, this is variable separable method. That's why you can integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. You get constants. You get what? Integral secant square t dt. One is integral secant square dt minus of integral secant t into tan t dt is equal to integral 1 dx. What is the integration of secant square x? That is tan x. Secant square t with respect to tan t. What is the integration of secant t tan t? Secant t tan integration? Secant t already is a form of secant t is equal to 1 dx x plus c. What is the value of t to x? Here function in terms of x comma y, yet answer in terms of t and x. That's why this t we can write in place of the x plus y. That's why you can write tan of x plus y minus secant of x plus y is equal to x plus c. This is the equation of the curve. C square. Understood or not? In this way you can do that. Every problem you can integration. That integration not in the form. That's why you can convert it in the integration form. After that integrating by using formulas. You get easily coming to the answer. This problem is example problem. See students, examples of important problems are explained. Remaining problems you get practice in textbook. First one is dy by dx is equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 whole by sin y plus y into cos y. See students, this one just to cross multiply. Sin y plus y into cos y whole dy is equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 whole dx. See students, this total function in terms of y, this total function in terms of x, then this is variable separable method is there. That's why you can integration. Before you go to integration, separate first here sin y into dy plus y into cos y. Suppose you can write sin y plus y cos y whole dy are similar is equal to 2x into log x plus x whole dx. In this case, you can integration on both sides. You get cos x. Integral first term sin y into dy plus integral y into cos y. Separated integration at a time. Similarly, you can write 2 comma integral x log x plus integral x dx. This 2 belongs to only first term. Understood or not? After that. Sin y integration is minus cos y plus here you can use integration by parts method. I first you can write algebra, after that trigonometry. That is why u is the algebra. Y into integral cos by dy minus integral d by dy of y integral cos by dy all dy using integration by parts method. You know that integration by parts method. What is integration by parts? Integral uv dx is equal to u into integral v dx minus derivative of u into integral v dx all dx plus c. That is a formula. You can take that formula is equal to. Then I can write 2 into. Here also you can use integration by parts method by nothing but here product of the two function is there. I let first you can write logarithmic u and algebra is v. That's why you can write log x into integral x dx minus of derivative of log x integral x dx or dx completed plus integral x dx nothing but x square by 2. Integral x dx nothing but x square by 2. This term, both terms you can use integration by parts method. Understood or not? After that, minus cos y plus y. What is the integration of cos y? Sin y minus derivative of y is 1. Integration of cos y sin y into dy is equal to, here we can write 2 into log x into, what is the integration of x? Integration of x is x square by 2 minus derivative of log x is what is 1 by x into integration of x square by 2 whole dx plus x square by 2. Understood or not? In this way you can do that problem. In this way you can do that every problem in variable separable method. After that, you can write this one is minus cos y plus y into sin y into sin y. Here 1 into sin y nothing but sin y. What is the integration of sin y? Minus cos y. That's why you can write minus of minus cos y. This one is completed. This term is completed is equal to 2 into log x into x square by 2. This is the first term. 2 multiply internally minus here 1x get cancelled minus 2 by 2 into integral x dx plus x square by 2. Understood or not? 2 into log x into x square by 2 one term minus 2 into 2 by 2 into x dx is the another term plus x square by 2 is the similar term. Here 2 get cancelled, here 2 get cancelled. Remaining what remains? Minus cos y plus y into sin y minus into minus plus cos y is equal to, here you can write this one is log x into x square minus, here what is the integration of x dx? What is the integration of x? X square by 2 plus x square by 2 plus c. You can write here x square by 2 minus x square by 2 get cancelled, cos y minus cos y get cancelled, remaining one y into sin y is equal to x square into log x plus c. This is the curve equation of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x into 2 into log x plus 1 by sin y plus y cos y. That differential equation solution is y sin y is equal to x square log x plus c. In this way you can do that variable separable method model problems. These problems are very useful for marks in IB examination.